Alright, continuing right along. So, I got my matrix. I'm going to find the inverse. So I'm going to do the way that I showed you guys the second time, which is write all of the values in the original first row, give myself a 2 by 2 matrix. I'm just kind of assuming that you guys can do this because we already worked on this. So then I'm going to find the determinant of this, guys, which is -4 minus 0, so that's -4. It's 8 minus 3 was 5. That's 0 minus -1, so plus 1 times -1, -1. So determinant's -10, 1 over -10. Remember, I got to do a new mini matrix for each of these, which these are going to be my new mini matrix for all of these ones. So this one was -4, this one was 5, this one was 1. Mini matrix for this spot, for this spot, this spot, this spot, this one, and this one. I know I'm going kind of fast, but that's because we've already done this. So this location, I'm going to use 1, -1, 0, 4. This location, I'm going to use 1, 1, -1, 4. This location, I'm going to use 1, 1, 1, 0. This location, I'm going to use 1, -1, -1, 3. This location, I'm going to use 1, 2, -1, 3. This location, I'm going to use 1, 1, 2, -1. Then find these ones. That's going to give me, I'm going to rewrite my first row. That one stays the same. This is going to be 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 0 minus 1 is -1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus -2 is 4. -1 minus 2 is -3. I'm going to distribute last, so I'm going to change the sign of every other. So that's going to be don't do, blah, blah, blah. So don't do, don't do, don't do, don't do, don't. Now I'm going to flip everything across this line. These stay the same. These all flip. And my last step is I'm going to distribute. So I'm going to get 2/5, 2/5, 1/5, negative 1/2, -1/2, 2/5, -1/10, -1/10, and 3/10. This is my inverse matrix. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this by the original solution matrix, which was, so I'm going to do this row by this column, which is going to give me 14/5 plus 8/5 minus 11/5. That's going to be my x. Now I'm going to do this row times this column. 7/2 minus 4/2 plus 22/5. That's going to be my y. This row times this column. -7/10 minus 4/10 plus 33/10. That's going to be my last row. That's going to be my z's. So this gives me 22 minus 11 is 11/5. This gives me 3 plus that is 25/5, which is 5. This is going to give me, oh, those are not like terms. Just kidding. I got to make them tenths. So this is going to be 35/10 going to be 20 tenths. This is going to be 44 tenths. So that's going to give me 15 plus 44 is 39 tenths. Negative 11 plus 33 is 22 tenths. So as a point, this is x, y, z. So it's going to be 11 fifths, 39 tenths, 22 tenths. And that's our final answer. All right, hopefully those two videos kind of made sense. We'll go over them more in class.